Let's get one thing straight right now. The moment you decide to sell your home, it stops being your home. It becomes a product on the market, just like a can of soup on a grocery store shelf. You have to think like a marketer, not just a homeowner. Birthday parties in the backyard, crayon marks on the wall. The market today is moving at the speed of light. Buyers are more informed and savvier than ever before. If your product doesn't grab them in the first 3 seconds, you're out. It's a tough game, but it's a winnable one. The biggest mistake is getting caught up in emotion and ego. Maybe yours is the best on the block, but the market sets the price. Switch your mindset to, this is a valuable asset I need to package and sell. This guide cuts the noise and focuses on the 5 critical things sellers get wrong. I see it all the time. A seller hears prices are up 5% nationwide and decides their 3-bedroom colonial is worth a fortune. That's a huge mistake. Real estate is not national, it's hyper-local. One zip code can be on fire and ice cold just 2 miles away. National headlines mean nothing for your specific house on your specific street. Your sale is dictated by supply and demand right outside your door. Base expectations on national data and you set yourself up for failure. Overprice and buyers will swipe past you. Underprice and you leave cash on the table. Buyers know exactly what sold down the street last month. Out-of-sync pricing kills your leverage. Action. Find 3 true comps. Similar size, beds, condition, within a half mile, sold in the last 60 days. Ignore outliers, anchor to the solid middle. Don't be the Austin seller who ignored local data and paid the price. Every seller has a dream number. I call it the fantasy price. The first 2 weeks are critical. Fresh, new, exciting. Your listing hits every portal and rides to the top of saved searches. Price it right and the front door looks like rush hour. Get it wrong and you'll hear crickets. Buyers and their agents are smart and fast. Price 15% high and you won't even make their radar. A stale listing is a weak listing. By the time you drop, the damage is done and low offers follow. Action. Price to be the star on opening weekend. Price at the most recent comps, or slightly below. The goal isn't to leave money on the table. It's to create a frenzy that drives your final price up. It's a strategy, not a sacrifice. 2 identical townhouses listed in the same development. Seller A listed at $450,000 against advice. Seller B listed at $425,000, right in line with comps. B had 4 offers and sold for $440,000 in 6 days. A SAT, reduced, and sold for $420,000. The smart day 1 price wins. Sellers get paralyzed by renovations and big-ticket remodels. Secret: you almost never get that money back. Buyers want to imagine their dream, not pay a premium for yours. What really matters are the little things: drips, bulbs, squeaks, scuffs. To a buyer, tiny defects scream, the owner doesn't take care of this house. If you won't fix a running toilet, what about the roof? The furnace? The foundation? Action. Pretend you're a buyer. Start at the curb and be ruthless. Make a top 10 of noticeable, easy fixes. Spend a few $100 in a weekend. Best ROI in the process. One couple spent about $1,200. First showing, buyers praised maintenance and offered $10,000 over target. When a buyer walks in, they must imagine their life there, not yours. They need to see where the sofa goes, the tree fits, and the photos hang. They can't if every surface is covered with your personal belongings. Clutter shrinks space and dims light. Most buyers can't see past oversized furniture. Good staging subtracts. Create a clean, neutral canvas. You're selling space, light, and potential. Action. Declutter and depersonalize with a vengeance. Trash, donate, store. Remove at least a third from every room. Take down family photos, politics, quirky art. Clear every counter. Leave only the essentials. Less in the room makes it look bigger and more valuable. Selling your home is one of your biggest financial transactions. Choosing the right agent is a business decision. A great agent brings expert pricing, pro media, aggressive marketing, and a strong network. Interview at least 2, preferably 3 agents. Come prepared, ask for hard data and a clear strategy. A true pro turns a quiet listing into multiple offers. Be flexible with showings. The more eyes, the better your offers. Use a lockbox and be ready to leave on short notice. Have your documents ready. Preparation builds confidence and prevents delays. Massachusetts sellers, quick checklist. In winter, shovel, salt, and keep lights warm. Is your home built before 1978? Provide the lead paint disclosure to buyers with accepted offer. Before closing, you'll need a smoke and CO detector inspection certificate. Plan ahead, and get it done upon signing of purchase and sale agreement. On septic, schedule a Title V inspection and price with hyperlocal comps, Boston, Worcester, the Cape. For any property, confirm required documents with your local authorities or association. Insist on real pre-approval. Bigger down and earnest money signal strength. Be ready to counter. Leave room for a best and final offer. Use repairs as a tool. A closing credit is often the cleanest path. Credits keep momentum and let buyers finish to their standards. Now, take action. Walk your property like a buyer and fix one curb appeal item today. If you're thinking about selling and want to talk through your situation, feel free to reach out. Every home and every seller is different. I'm always happy to answer questions and help you understand what your next step could look like. You'll find my contact information in the description below. If this helped, please subscribe and like for more Massachusetts and home selling tips. Please contact me if you plan on selling your home.